Hi everyone. In today's video, you are going to learn how to pin the emails in Outlook in 2026. Now, pinning the emails keep your most important messages fixed at the top so that you never lose track of them. So let's work through it step by step. First of all, you need to open your Outlook application on your computer. You can also open Outlook in your web browser. Once you have done that, simply hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of Inbox. In the inbox, you are going to see all of the emails that you have received. So among these, you just have to select that particular email which you want to pin. When you hover over to the email which you want to pin, you are going to see these three options here on the top. First, we have the mark as read, then we have flag the message, and the next option that we have here is of pinning this email. So this is the pin icon. When you click on it, you are going to see that the email is now pinned here successfully. It is also going to open the email in front of you, which is going to look something like this. Now, if you want to pin more emails here, you just have to keep on clicking on this pinning icon and it will come here in your pin section, basically on the top. So this way you will be able to pin your emails in Outlook. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.